And Steve from EstateMax with you, introducing yet another EstateMax full home estate sale in a large home. A lot of stuff in this sale. We're in Warman's Mill, which is in the north half of Frederick, Maryland. The 9th, 10th, and 11th coming up. That's the weekend coming up, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Weekend coming up. The address will be published in estatesales.net and our Facebook page, cleverly entitled EstateMax. It'll be available the day before the sale. Everything you see in this preview video is for sale, including things like puzzles, LP albums, stereo equipment, furniture, some cool stuff. Let me walk you around. Wait till you get to the trains and the firearms stuff. Lots of back to school supplies. The lady of the house was a school teacher. A lot of stuff for back to school. And there were camera and photography buffs in the family, including these high-end Nikon F3 kits and so on. Some great SLRs, both standard and conventional digital. Kitchen stuff. A full loaded kitchen. A lot of stuff. Mixers, mix masters, things to make milkshakes with. Make me a milkshake. Kitchenware, there's your blenders and mix masters. Hand-carved wooden bowls. There's a Krupp's coffee maker right there in the corner. Let's take you downstairs first. I'm going to show you train stuff first. Oh, a lot of O-gauge 3-rail. O-gauge 3-rail people, pay attention. These are the boxes to the houses for the display. We're selling the entire display. Let's walk over and check that out. Again, this is a full finished basement. Lots of really cool stuff. We have baseball cards, we have toys, we have firearms. We'll come back to the reloading supplies and ammunition in a minute. We have electronics, full electronics spread, including some Pioneer equipment, Techniques turntable over there. By the way, that is a Heathkit receiver. Anybody who knows their electronics knows that Heathkit made an excellent receiver. There's a Techniques turntable. Some more LPs. It says LPs in 2 different places. Let's take a walk in the train room. By the way, we have a special in the train room. We're selling the entire train setup that you see. The platform, the track that's attached, the switches that are attached, any accessories that are attached. This entire set, again, it's O-gauge, 3-rail. You come, you disassemble. You can have it for $200. $200. You have to agree to dismantle and remove the entire thing, including the undergarments there. But the whole thing comes to you. The decorations. The houses are sold separately. We're going to sell the houses separately. But this whole entire setup, $200 for everything. Houses will sell a la carte. There's a lot of them. Give you an idea. Really great setup. This guy loved his trains and his firearms and his tools. Here's a tool area. Well, every kind of tool in existence, of course. If it's not here, it's in the garage. Gun making supplies, including presses, including powder. Here's a compressor. In this file cabinet, don't go in it by yourself. I'd like to sell one person the entire collection of black powder by itself. Don't go in here unassisted, please. We have preloaded ammunition, many calibers, including .308 and .45. Here's the original reloading station. All the original equipment, that's for loading powder. There's a couple different kinds of presses. You can't really see it. There's a Dillon press, and there's another press down there. All the supplies, including the bullets, the casings, the primers, and some live rounds as well. Again, if you like firearms, there's a wealth of firearm stuff here. There's some magazines, there's some PMC, we've got some .38, we got some target loads, we got some .308s, some .45s, a lot of .22s and .22 Magnums, a lot of 12 gauge. These are 3-tire cases in 12 gauge there. Shotgun shells. Again, here we have primers and parts and bullets. Full packs. Battle packs of .308. Some lead bullets waiting to be pressed. So If you're a firearms guy or a reloader, tell your reloader friends you won't find better prices than these. Some loudspeakers. A pair of bows on top, mini bows on top. Those are high-end speakers. I can't read the name from here though. That's a really nice gun case there too. If you have a high-end rifle, it's a case for you. You can go back and look at the still pictures if you want to see more detail, but that's a really nice shop vac. Ton of Christmas both here in the garage. Utility type stuff. You can go back and see the still pictures for a little bit more detail. That's a lot of Christmas Village. And next we'll check out the upstairs. And we're upstairs. Can you tell the lady in the house was a school teacher? Here's a guest bedroom with 2 nice single beds. Perfect for a couple of kids as a desk. Dressers and more games. Some ladies' apparel. Chest of drawers. In the master bedroom, a nice double bed setup. High-end mattresses and risers. Apparel and sweaters in the master bedroom, including some nice ladies' apparel. Purses, clothing. A pair of Cerwin-Vega loudspeakers. Those are great for disco. Purses. Again, ladies' apparel. Okay. Everything you see in this video is for sale, including the shoes. And from bathroom stuff to the second guest bedroom, we have additional purses and odds and ends and frames and vacuum cleaner, pillows, shams, bed sets, luggage, and so on. And when we're back on the first floor, we've got a little office, nice hutch setup, very nice printer. Looks to me like an HP, in great shape. Roll top desk over here. How about that? Nice roll top desk. Looks like it's oak, solid oak. And a little school table. In a downstairs bedroom, we have some lamps and nice tables with folding leaves. A few more odds and ends and a small dresser. Electrolux canister vac. Lastly, we're in the garage looking at garage things. Everything from a piano to a blower to a very nice cooler. That's a pressure washer right there. Umbrellas and yard tools just in time for the yard. Super nice Honda lawnmower. That's a super nice powered Honda lawnmower. And behind that is a very nice Craftsman snow thrower. It looks like it's never been used. To me, that's a 2-stage snow thrower. It looks like it's never been used. Very high quality. There's a grinder behind it. But again, that Honda lawnmower is really nice. A few ladders, hand tools, accessories, some luggage. And against the back wall, more Christmas Village. Oh no. We'll make you a deal if you buy a lot of it. We'll make you a really good deal. Everything you see in this video is for sale. Early birds will come Friday, 10 o'clock. We'll be open this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. See us on estatesales.net. Look up Warman's Mill and EstateMax for additional details and the still pictures that you're seeing represented here now. Again, Steve for Lori saying we'll see you in Warman's Mill near Frederick, Maryland this coming weekend. Worth the drive.